Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share kheer recipe. It is actually very simple and the taste is absolutely delicious. If you are new here, consider subscribing because I am going to introduce Asian food taste to you guys. So let's proceed. The ingredients we need are 1/4 cup of rice and then soak the rice for 20 minutes. Further, we need 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of cardamom powder, which will give a nice flavor. 2 tablespoons of crushed coconut. We need 20 almonds and cut them. And 50 grams of khoya and silverware. We will use it for garnishing. Let's start to make it. Take a pan and add 1 liter whole milk. Set heat to medium high. Let the meat come to a boil. Meanwhile, we will crush these rice with the hand. Now milk is boiling. We are going to add crushed rice in boiled milk. We will cook it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, kheer would look thick. Add cardamom powder and sugar. Just simply mix and further cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add khoya, almonds and crushed coconut and give one good nice mix for 1 minute. Remove pan from heat. Kheer is ready and dish it out. We will garnish it with silverware, almonds and coconut powder. Guys, it's absolutely delicious and now it's ready to eat and enjoy. I hope you will like it. Make sure to subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video. Take care guys and stay blessed.